Welcome to the video. Today we're going to be talking about how to scale your real estate business and the fundamentals that you need to know in order to grow. So first and foremost, you need a good team. When investing in real estate, you have to have a few key team members. Doesn't matter if you're buying single family homes, apartment complexes, duplexes, quadplexes, storage units, mobile home parks, you need a team. And the first member of your team is going to be a real estate agent. You need someone who's going to be able to bring you deals. You need someone who's going to be able to sell your deals. You need someone who's going to be able to lease out your deals. Real estate agents are plugged into the market. They have good ones at least, are pounding the pavement. They know the players in the market. They know how to find the deals, and they are going to bring you the deals, and the seller is going to pay them a commission. If you are selling your properties, flipping your properties, you need a good real estate agent that can sell your properties for top dollar, who knows how to market it properly, who knows how to get it in front of the right people. That way you can make as much money as possible. Yes, when you're selling, you might have to pay them real estate commission, but this real estate commission that you're paying them, you should make enough money to cover the real estate commission that you're paying them because they are an expert. Next thing you need is a property manager. A property manager is going to be able to manage your properties. The property manager will be able to do things such as save you on expenses. They should have a team of subcontractors to be able to handle maintenance. They should be plugged into the local market to be able to raise rents. They're going to be able to keep good relationships with the tenants. They'll handle all the legalities. They'll be able to file eviction paperwork if needed. Your property manager is going to do all the tedious and time-consuming work that is involved with owning real estate. You need a good property manager. A bad property manager will poorly manage your asset. They can cause you to lose money, overpay for expenses, cause you to get lower amounts in rent than you should, ultimately just mess up the entire investment. Now, a good property manager will make your investment efficient, and they should increase your income. Next thing you need is a good lender. You have to have lenders. Unless you're buying the properties cash, you are going to want to get a loan. Utilizing loans is another great way to be able to maximize your investment. Put in a little as cash as possible to maximize your return. So you want good lenders on your team. You also want good contractors. Everybody's heard about bad stories with contractors. Well, they are out there, and there's a ton of contractors. So you have to be able to find the good ones, and you want to have good contractors on your team that you can call at any point in time to be able to go out, take care of an issue, get a property ready, do a make ready, get it flipped, whatever you're looking to have done. You need good contractors on your team to assist you in the process of rehabbing and repairing your properties. Going down the list, you need a lawyer. You need a CPA, and you'll have other key team members such as partners and investors. It's really important that you build out your team because investing in real estate is not a solo sport. You need to have a good team to assist you that you can continue to do deals with and rely on when things come up. That way you can take action, close deals, and keep moving forward. So number one is you have to have a good team. Next thing you need to do in order to scale out your business is to put systems in place. You have to have systems if you want to grow and scale any company. Doesn't matter what you're doing, what business you're in, but specifically in real estate, you have to have systems for everything that you do. In order to get a deal done, you need to be able to have the system in place to reach out to your team, to be able to assemble it and get everything in order. In order to properly do your books, in order to properly manage the asset, in order to properly manage the property manager, in order to manage the contractors, in order to work with your team, take deals down, and continue to be profitable and scale, you need to have systems in place. And if you want to hire people on underneath you, maybe to help find deals, cold call, do some work on your properties, manage the assets, whatever it might be, you need to have systems in place that they can fall into, that you can teach them how to do the job. That way you can go focus on the higher paying activities and make more money. Next thing you can do is implement, this kind of falls within systems, but make your life easier with software. This is 2023, and there's a ton of software out there available. There's software out there for managing your assets, for keeping your books, for property management, for finding deals, for finding off-market owner contact information, for cold calling, for texting, for anything you can think of. There's a software out there that you could pay for that might make your job much easier and free up a lot of time that you could implement in your systems. So always use software. And last but not least, and I think the most important, is you have to have partners. So you want to find good partners that you can continue to do deals with. Now, people define partners in different ways. Your team member could be your partner. Your lender could be your partner. You could be raising capital for a 100-unit apartment complex and raise capital from private investors and they're your partners on the deal. You could have a partner that you continuously buy deals with. You could have a partner that comes in and puts in sweat equity on your deals. But you need to find more people to do more deals with. You're not going to be able to do it all on your own. You need partners, you need other people, and the goal should be to grow together so that you all benefit. So last but not least is you need more partners. Just to go back through it, here are my tips for how to grow and scale your real estate business. First and foremost is you need to find good team members and you need to assemble this team. A way you can do this is to go out and interview different people. So interview property managers, interview contractors, interview lenders, interview partners and investors. Next thing is once you've assembled a good team and you've started to figure out how things are working and what your systems are going to be, document these systems, tweak these systems, make them better, make them more efficient. Make sure that you can best utilize your time. Once you put systems in place and you've started to remove yourself from the daily activities, owning and buying real estate, that way you can focus on the higher level stuff. Try and make your systems much more efficient with software. Utilize software to make your life easier and make you more efficient. And last but not least is all throughout this and for the rest of the time, always look for more partners. You need more people. You need more people on your team. You need more people to do deals with. You need more people bringing you deals. You need good partners. Good partners are hard to find. It might be a little trial and error process with you, but always be on the lookout for good people that you want to partner with and continue to do business with forever. Growing a real estate business ain't easy. It requires strategic thinking. It requires hard work. It requires you to be able to network and work with other people very well, but it can be done. So make sure you implement these things. We're here to help. If you have a deal and you want to find more partners on it, reach out to us. We'd love to partner on you with the deal. Thanks again for watching today, and we'll see you next time.